Hey guys, welcome to another video. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. So today we will be doing another install. It's nothing crazy, something super simple, but I feel like it'll make all the difference. So I've actually had this part for, I want to say, over 4 or 5 months. Basically, when I installed my exhaust, I had ordered this. I just never got around to installing it until now when I actually need it. Okay, so today I am going to be installing my rain guards, and then I'm also going to be installing my first carbon piece. Oh, I'm so excited. It's nothing big, it's something actually super small. It's just the trim cover, but hey, it's carbon, it's my first piece. But I actually got them from Lockbong V. I'll go ahead and put his Instagram below. He's the best. He did sell me a couple other parts that he was getting rid of, and he's super sweet. He usually DMs me like if he's gonna get rid of something to see if I'm interested, and yeah, honestly, give him a follow. He's super nice, so shout out to him. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. If you guys want to see me install both of these parts, go ahead and keep on watching. Show you some unboxing real quick. And there is the second one. Yay! I'm super happy. My first carbon piece. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open up my rain guards. Let's see what it looks like. This box has seen better days. I left it outside for a long time, and yeah, it's dirty. It got wet, and yeah. Nice presentation. Let me show you guys. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. They're all packaged up and nice. These are the clips. Tape. Nice, very nice. And then the manual. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Got it. Let's get started. Alrighty, so we're gonna start with the driver's side first. This is the rain guard, and as you can see, it has like little clips here. This is where you're gonna actually clip in these clips that come in the package. So we're just gonna clip this here. You're gonna want to get the other one and then clip it on the other side, just like so. Sorry, I don't have my bigger tripod. I can't find it, so I'm working with what I got. So sorry if the angle isn't the best. The next step is going to be to actually take down the weather stripping. I think that's what it's called. So let's go ahead and do that. Now you're going to want to get your rain guards, and then we're just going to clip in these little clips right where the weather stripping is supposed to go. But before we do that, we're just going to pull on the adhesive just a little bit so that we can go ahead and pull it off completely once it's already lined up. So I went ahead and did that here, and then on the other side as well. Okay, I'll go ahead and stick this on. Actually, let me wipe it down first. I totally forgot. I need to wipe it down so that it can stick properly. So let me do that. So I went ahead and clipped it on. As you can see, it's basically holding itself up now. All we need to do is actually stick it. But before you stick it, you want to make sure it's like lined up on the side. And then at the top as well. You don't want to have any gaps, anything like that. Let me show you what it looks like on the opposite side. So it actually clips in right here. After it's clipped in, we just got to take off the adhesive, and then we're good to go. After that, all you need to do is put your weather stripping back up. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so for the back, it's gonna be the exact same thing. Get your clips, and then you're just gonna pop them on. Bing. And then the other one. It's actually much easier than I thought. Just make sure this lines up because then you don't want it to hit the driver door. But yeah, so make sure you line this up. Also the top, make sure it's lined up all the way. And then go ahead and pull it off. Okay, so personally for me, I went ahead and closed the door before I took it off because the way I had it before was lined up exactly to where it ends, the door ends, but it leaves a big gap. So you don't want that unless you do want that, but I don't want that personally. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this a little bit more. Just keep pulling it. I think that's fine because I don't want, obviously I don't want it to be touching, but at the same time, I don't want there to be too much of a gap. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Cool. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the windows up. I love it. What's up guys, it is 24 hours later and today I'm going to be putting on my carbon pieces. I wasn't able to do it last night because I didn't have time. It actually got super dark, so I am going to be doing that right now. I will go ahead and make sure to document what my car looks like now with both the carbon pieces and the rain guards. So far I love the rain guards. I've only had them for like a day, but I love them so much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down where the carbon fiber covers are gonna go. My car is super filthy right now, so please don't mind it. I'm gonna do a close-up so you're gonna be able to tell that it's super dirty. I'm gonna go to the car wash right after this, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera and show you guys as I wipe down and then stick them on. These are obviously the carbon fiber covers, and I do have the 3M tape, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put it on this and then attach them. Okay, so it is installed. What do you guys think? I think it looks so good, very sleek. I love it. Obviously, you have to really focus on the detail in order to notice. You have to actually get close, but I think it looks really good. Here is the other side. You can't really tell because the angle of the sun, but I love it overall. I think it looks really good. I'm gonna go wash my car right now and then I'll go ahead and add some clips. Well, this is the end of my video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the support. If it's your first time watching one of my videos, make sure you check out the other videos that I have on my channel. I really hope you enjoy them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at STI Liz. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.